Hey, welcome to the DutchRC channel again, and I thought it was time for another unboxing today, so here it is. It's actually several unboxings and some unbaggings, as you can see, but the main attraction today is a little tricopter. It's the Quanum Trifecta, and well, tricopter. It's a foldable plastic frame copter, and I've got a few other items which will go onto the copter. I've got 3 multi-star elite motors here, 2300 kV motors. Let's see if I can get one of the boxes to open up. Oh, that's actually easier said than done. Well, as you can see, tiny little motor, 2300 kV. There you go. Small little thing. Connectors, 2mm connectors are already soldered on. I'm not sure. I think I will solder the motor wires directly to the ESCs, but well, doesn't really matter. And they come with a prop adapter. Yes, thank you very much. Alright, 3 of those, of course. It's a tricopter, and I've got 3 well-known Afro ESCs, 12 amps. Ionics, that should be enough for this little tricopter. And I've got a Delta multi-protocol receiver. It's an 8-channel receiver, and it's nice and small. That's why I chose this one. It does all kinds of protocols, but I'll be using the FHSS for my Futaba transmitter. I've used several of these so far. I like them very much. Work fine. And I've got a few Gemfan, well known of course, propellers for this frame. 6x4s should work just fine. Alright, the main attraction then, the tricopter. If you're not familiar with it yet, it's a really small tricopter, relatively new. Okay, let me rip open this first bag. Anti-vibration pad, more anti-vibration stuff, tie wraps, sorry, some springs, a power distribution board, thank you. I wasn't sure if that was included, so thanks. Some parts for the tail assembly, some Velcro straps for your battery, screws and more screws, more anti-vibration pads, very nice. Alright, on to the next bag. Plastic frame parts. Well, while I'm at it, let's just rip open these bags. Okay, you've got 2 arms. I think this will be for the tail section. I've got no idea what this is. This is... I don't know. And some small plastic parts. Yay. Okay, this is for the tail motor, of course. Okay, next bag. What the hell is this? I've got no idea. Needless to say that I haven't looked into what's what for this tricopter yet, but it will surely become clear once I start building it. Okay, really have no idea what this is. Okay, more anti-vibration stuff. Screw, hard cheeky day. Alright, and the last bag. This almost looks like a Lego unboxing. Okay, central frame. This is where the arms will connect over here. Yep. Okay, I think this is one of the camera mounts that comes with it. I know there's a Mobius mount and a brick style camera mount. Okay, all kinds of mounts, very nice. Okay, and the last thing in the bag is a manual. Let's take a quick look at that. Several manuals actually, or a manual and something that's added later. Do the following between step blah blah. Okay. Okay. Parts list. Okay. Preferred rotation direction. Pretty sure I will divert from that. Okay. Oh, this actually looks pretty detailed. I like that. I've seen far worse manuals slash building instructions. Yeah. Okay. Alright. That looks pretty nice actually. Now as mentioned, this is the central frame. I think this is the top, I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. And here's the thing, I already have a flight controller and it's got some other parts connected to it that aren't imported now, but as you can see, this flight controller, this is the front, is a bit big. I'm not sure if I'll be able to mount this one. Of course, I should have had a, for instance, Afro mini board, but I don't. I have this one laying around, so I'll try to fit this on. Maybe I'll lose the foldability of the frame, but I don't really care. It's even when it's not folded, the frame won't be big, so it'll easily fit into my car. There's the tail. Will fit on like that presumably. So as you can see, it's not a big copter by any means. Actually, why don't I show you the size compared to another small copter? Just a second. There. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this quad. It's a ominous Dromeda quad. Small little quad. Okay, this Tricopter is a bit bigger. It's a bit longer and a bit wider, but still. Even not folded, when not folded, it can easily fit in a backpack. So I won't mind if I have to build it non-foldable. Okay, that's it. I'll start building it, and hopefully I'll be able to show you flying footage with it in a short while. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed yet, please do. Thanks in advance. Bye bye.